Hey guys, I actually just finished making a video like a few minutes ago. It's the speedrun 4. So now I'm doing a Meepcity one. Don't mind them. I was just playing with them. Boop, 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 boop. My computer is very, very laggy, just for you guys to know, okay? Ba-ba-da-ba-dum. Okay, so I changed my person. I am now Kiki, half angel, half devil kind. Okay? 4 hours left. Should we go here with this? I think we should. Okay, come on. It has to pick up. Come on. It's not picking up. It's not picking up. It's not picking. Okay. Oh, yay. See? Yay. Okay. Oh, no. We're watering. Whatever. This is my home, guys. I know it's not done yet, but like, I like it so far. Kidding. Okay. It's going to come. It's coming. Come on, why is it taking so long to load? Okay, when it loads, I'll be back. Loading now. Oh, I'm sorry. No, I can't play this song. Oh god. No. Set music. Set music. You're probably thinking like, why are you song? Okay. But I can't put it be copyrighted and there we go. It stopped. Okay. There's a bubble. I'm curious about it. So shall we throw a party? I think we shall. Throw a party. What is this? Oh, it's for languages. Never mind. Games. Public are so hard to click. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Should we make a party or should I'll go to the party? Join whatever. I'm joining whatever party. Oh. Okay. And then, oh wow, she got 1,000. You guys might be like, oh, duh, unicorn. So many people have 1,000, but guess what? I only have 100. So yeah, I'm very bad at that. But come on, you're just a figure now. I need you really colored in for me to know. There we go. You're coming. This is yes. That is what I'm talking about. A dress. I need a dress for the party. What happened to party dress? Dress, we gotta have a dress. Gotta have a dress. Of course it doesn't work, because you know why? Because my thing is so laggy. There we go. Oh, wow, okay, this is, wow, okay. This isn't loaded yet, so, ow! Ow! Oh my, okay. There's a very hard way out of this. Sleep. Sleep? Yeah, let's sleep. There we go. I'm not sleeping! There we go. There we go. Okay. Everything's taken care of. Whew. We can stop worrying about that now. Okay. Yeah. Do you guys feel like in Meepcity? Let me think. Okay, so I thought about it. I'm like, this is so much Roblox. Let's go in Animal Jam. Play wild, yay! Adopt a pet today. Make a new friend, yay! Are you feeling low? In need of some cheer from a week on it? You want a day down is open and okay. There's so many new things here. Okay, whatever. Spin, yay, my daily spin. I'm so happy. I got 500, what? What did I get? 500 of what? Yes, Ocean Arctic Fox. Yes, that's me. And then I'll change my person. Okay. Yeah, so yeah. I don't have lots to say. I'm here. I don't know why there's always so many people around here. Oh, I like changing them. I like this one. What's this one? Oh, this is just the most precious thing. Wow. Oh, Jesus, I don't like that. Oh, no. The most this is, I wish I could have this. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, you guys. So I realized that this video might be a little too long, and also I'm running out of time. So please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye. And shut up. No, that is not how I film. Oh well. Like, subscribe, hit the notification, bye.